slime is regular slime, and this is like
Regular?
yeah, like regular slime. It's just like doesn't have like a watery texture. It's just it feels regular. Like, it just feels like slime. Okay, and then the next one is jiggly slime. This slime, it's more watery slime. It's and like when like touch it, it jiggles. So like it's not that stretchy as the regular slime, but it's still like pretty stretchy. But like it breaks. So that's a jiggly slime.
Alright.
And
What
then,
about fluffy?
yeah, and then there's fluffy slime. And this one, it makes a lot of like crackle noises. Here, I'll show you. Here. I'll show you.
That's a good place for it, right on the furniture.
So then I go like this, and like this, and I go like it makes a lot like crackle noises. And then that's like the fluffy slime. And it feels like so fluffy. It feels like a cloud. Like a mountain.
Alright. Let's see the clear glitter.
I don't have, like this one's not really an option because I don't have clear glue because we haven't ordered my gallon.
You got 2 things of it last night. You already used it?
No, I gave one to Lauren.
Oh.
And then this one. This one, it's clear. It has to clear up because it has a bunch of air bubbles in it. But then it has like this then it has this glitter. It's really pretty. And then
And the shaving cream is for what?
to make it fluffy.
Yeah.
And then this is a slime that I literally just made like a few seconds ago. It's like it has like a weird texture. And I made it with cornstarch, and it feels like soft, but it doesn't feel like that.
Alright.
It just kind of feels like the regular one. And then there's one more. Then there's this one. This one smells so good. It smells like this. It smells like lemon. It smells super good, good. And this one has like a weird texture. So, and then your color choices are purple. You can make it purple. I can make it like this color, like a
Bubble
light
gum.
or like a bubble gum. And then I can make like a peach color.
A what?
Like a peach color.
What about like a blue?
I don't have a blue.
You know any more blue?
I don't know where my blue one went, but
Alright, video's ending.